Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about the function keys on your keyboard. This video will be about function keys on your keyboard explained, and it will be an easy tutorial. So let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be explaining all about the function keys on your keyboard, and it will be a tutorial that is super duper easy. So first and foremost, let's turn this camera just a little bit because I'm getting a little too much sun. There we go. It's a little bit better. I'm doing my best with what I have, so just bear with me. So essentially, what are the function keys on your keyboard? Well, if you take a look on this keyboard, this right here is the function button. Okay? Now the function keys are going to be the keys on the keyboard that match the style of the function button. So on this keyboard right here, the function button has blue font, it has blue writing, so anything with blue writing is going to be part of the function key. Okay, it's going to be part of the function key set. Okay, so you can see all of the blue stuff up here, that's all part of the function key set. Okay, think about it like that. So essentially, what do they do? What is the purpose of them? Well, the explanation for the function keys on your keyboard, the explanation for the function keys is that they give you additional keys. So if you look at this key up here, this is F2, but it also has the magnifying glass, which is, I'm assuming, the search, right? Over here, this is F10, but it also has a stop symbol. So it's like for the media, multimedia, it can stop, okay? If you take a look, let's just say over here, this is, the hyphens over here, but also has a half symbol. So you can use the half. You can create a half symbol, I'm assuming. Now, that's what they do. They give you extra keys on the same keyboard. So instead of having, just these keys up here, you have these keys plus all of the blue ones. So you have F1 plus like the sleep functionality, F2 plus the search, F3 plus the mail, okay? F4 plus the home, F5 plus, I don't know what that is, a star, I'm not sure, maybe a favorites or something like that. Okay, so it gives you extra keys. Now, how do you use them? Well, it's really easy. All you got to do is hold down the function button and then push that. So let's say I wanted to search. Okay, so the F2 has the search as the function portion of it. So I'm going to hold down the function button and then I'm going to press F2. And it should activate the search. Now, this keyboard is not connected to any computer. I'm in my van. It's not connected to anything. But if it was connected to a computer, by holding down the function button and then pressing the associated key, you could do whatever that key claimed. So if I hold down the function button over here and I push F4, it's going to bring me to like the home functionality of the computer. Okay, that's the idea. It's really, 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 really simple. Basically, to explain what function keys do and how to use them, what they do is they give you additional options for the keys on your keyboard. And how to use them is you hold down the function button, and then while you're holding down the function button, you press the associated key to get that functionality of that key that is associated with the function button itself. That's basically it. Honestly, it's that simple. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point, and I truly hope that you enjoyed this video tutorial. And that's truly it. I truly have nothing else to say for this video, so we're going to officially roll the outro. If you like this video, please let me try that again. I'm mumbling up my words. Yeah, I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. We're going to do it for the last time, and I'm going to do it nice and calmly without mumbling my words. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.